The Benny PV circuit breaker is a high-capacity breaker designed to provide robust protection for DC circuits in various applications. With its IP65 rating, this breaker offers excellent resistance to dust and water, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It ensures safe and efficient interruption of DC currents up to 500 volts and 250 amps, protecting your system from overloads and short circuits. This DC breaker meets IEC and TUV standards for protecting and isolating DC circuits. It is designed for solar applications, electric vehicle charging stations, commercial battery storage, UPS, and off-grid systems. The two-pole design allows for the simultaneous disconnection of both positive and negative wires, enhancing safety and reliability. Its durable construction and straightforward installation make this circuit breaker a dependable choice for safeguarding your electrical systems.